Greetings to you all, dear students. Welcome to Bridge Course Template 19, Class 7th, Subject English. The learning outcome of this template is the students will be able to write detailed answers based on informative passages. मतलब जो भी आपको परिच्छेद आएंगे उस परिच्छेद की सहायता से आप डिटेल्ड आंसर्स मतलब विस्तृत में उत्तर लिख सकेंगे. There are some instructions given for teachers, parents, facilitators and students. तो अभी The Lion, the Man and the Statue जो 6th स्टैंडर्ड की स्टोरी है उसी स्टोरी को हम वापस एक बार रिवाइज करेंगे. See in the last templates, 2 templates I have taught you the story. मैंने बहुत विस्तृत से वो स्टोरी समझाई है आपको 17th 18th में और वापस हम उसके ऊपर एक्टिविटी लेने वाले हैं शॉर्ट में. Now see the learning activity. Read the text aloud. Could men and animals talk to each other in ancient times? क्या मानव और प्राणी बोल सकते थे पुरातन समय में? What was the lion proud of? What was the man proud of? How can one say that men are more intelligent than the lion? Where did the man take the lion at last? Who was the great hero? What did the man claim after showing the lion the statue? What is the moral of the story? So for all these questions, students, if you want to find the answer of the questions, you will have to read the text carefully. आपको ये पूरा जो ये पार्ट है 6th स्टैंडर्ड का द लायन द मैन एंड द स्टैचू उसे बहुत ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So we will read it once again and then we are going to find out the answers to the questions. Unit 2.2 The Lion, the Man and the Statue. Long ago, men and animals could talk to each other. Once a man and a lion got talking. The lion was very proud of his strength. I am the king of beasts. I am stronger than any man. That is why men fear me. The man was also proud of his intelligence. Don't forget that men are more intelligent than you are. That is why they can hunt you or capture you. They both began to argue about who was greater. At last, the man took the lion to a statue in a big garden. It showed the great hero Hercules standing proudly with a dead lion at his feet. See, this statue proves that men are greater, claimed the man. Not at all, the lion replied quickly. This only shows that the statue was made by a man. If lions made statues, they would show the lion standing and the man lying dead under his paws. From this story, we can see that the story depends on the storyteller. When someone else tells the same story, they tell it from their point of view. So students, just like this you have to read the text carefully. मैंने जैसा पढ़ा है उसी तरह से आपने पढ़ने की कोशिश करना है. Now see students, read the text aloud. Could men and animals talk to each other in ancient times? क्या आदमी और प्राणी बोल सकते थे एक दूसरे को? अभी उसका आंसर सॉल्व करके दिया है आपको नीचे सॉल्व एक्टिविटी में. What is the first answer? Yes. Okay. अभी सेकेंड क्वेश्चन वापस हम देखेंगे ऊपर. Men and animals talk to each other in ancient times. The lion is proud of पुरातन काल में आदमी और प्राणी एक दूसरे के साथ बात कर सकते थे. वापस हम आंसर देखेंगे नीचे. तो इस तरह से ये जितने भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है वो सभी के आंसर्स सॉल्व एक्टिविटी में दिए हैं. जैसे द मैन वॉज प्राउड ऑफ हिज इंटेलिजेंस है ना, because the man can hunt and capture lions, to a statue in a big garden, Hercules. That statue proves that men are greater than lions. From this story we learned that the story depends on storyteller. Whenever anyone tells story, he tells it from his point of view. देखो मतलब ऊपर questions नीचे answers. So for that you have to read the whole text and then only you can answer the questions. Students, write all the questions and answers in your notebook for activity 19. Okay? The practice activity, write the above questions, detailed answers in your notebook. Try to describe the story in your words. Okay? And extension activity, understand the first person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun, and write the detailed answers or description. So for you students, you can just write the question and answers in your notebook. And evaluation, it is based on how the learners find out and write the detailed answers in language. तो आप आपकी भाषा में यह स्टोरी दूसरों को बता सकते हैं, और ये जो भी क्वेश्चंस है उसके आंसर्स आपने लिख लेना है. बस इतना ही लर्निंग आउटकम है ये इस टेम्पलेट का. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.